All right, in front of me I have the SHOEI NEOTEC 3 helmet, but it could have been a GT Air 3 or even a J Cruise 3 because all three of those models have the exact same hardware here on the left side of the helmet. Now stick with me, I'm going to show you how to use the latest accessory for SHOEI helmets to make use of that area and get the absolute cleanest installation possible. So this adapter is compatible with the PACKTALK Pro, the PACKTALK Edge, and the PACKTALK Neo models. And inside the box, you'll find a short little installation guide and the adapter itself, which looks like this. To get things started, you're going to remove this little cover on the left side of the helmet by just pinching this little tab and dropping that away. Then simply just grab the adapter and go in nose first. Make sure all the little tabs line up, and most importantly, that it locks into place. Then just take the cradle that came with your PACKTALK and slide it over these two prongs, making sure that it too locks into place. Route the two wires through the little retainer clip found on the adapter, and then just continue on with the rest of the installation like you normally would. Once finished, go ahead and grab your module and attach it to the cradle. When all said and done, everything should be nice and clean, no wires hanging out everywhere, and totally secure. And that's it. Super straightforward and comes out looking awesome. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us for more. We'll see you next time.